Hello, in this video I want to show you how to pair iRobot Roomba E5 with Android smartphone and the iRobot app. And to do this, first we'll need to download the app. I already downloaded it on my device from Google Play Store. You can find it by typing in iRobot. Now when it's installed and you're logged in, we can select our product. In this case, I have iRobot Roomba E5, and now I just need to find it right here. Here we need to click on Get Started, set up the charging station, just follow those instructions. I have mine connected to the robot all time. Then we need to connect to the Wi-Fi network, and it needs to be 2.4G, so let's do that. Now we need to power on our Roomba by clicking on the power button. When it's on, click on the spot button and home button at the same time and hold them for 2 seconds to perform reset. Now I press the buttons and we can continue. So it just found our Roomba and we can click on connect.
Nawiązano połączenie z robotem Roomba. Użyj aplikacji iRobot Home, aby zakończyć proces konfiguracji.
It will connect to the Wi-Fi, then verify a password for the Wi-Fi. If it's wrong, you will need to re-enter it.
Robot Roomba jest w pełni skonfigurowany i gotowy do pracy. Życzymy miłego korzystania z robota.
So it's now we just finished the setup. It's connected to our smartphone app, and now we'll be able to rename it. You can change name by clicking right here. I'm gonna leave it as it is and then continue. Next, there's an introduction. You can read through it. I'm gonna skip all of that. And here we have it, our configuration tab for that iRobot Roomba. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.